common question I'm asked is whether people should buy before they sell or sell before they buy. This is a situation people find themselves in when they're looking at either upgrading their property or considering downsizing. They're trying to avoid getting stuck with two loans or trying to finance two properties at the same time. The safest option for most people is to look at selling your property with a long settlement. A long settlement will mean you have an unconditional contract on your property and then have 100 days or 120 days to then look at buying something else. Obviously, the worst case in this scenario, in this situation, is that your property sells and you don't find somewhere else to live, and then you'll get stuck renting for 6 months. This isn't a bad situation to be in, and at least it won't put you in financial difficulty. The other option is to buy a property and have a long settlement in place and attempt to sell your property in that time period, but this could mean you'll end up getting stuck and needing to take a lesser price than what your property might be worth. The third option is to look at financing both properties. So buying a property, keeping your property, and then looking to sell your property. This can mean that you'll end up paying two lots of mortgages, and once again it can put added pressure on you and mean that you'll have to take a lesser price for the original property that you own, which obviously isn't ideal. Another option that people often do is to just sell their property with a normal short settlement, rent somewhere for 6 months, and use this 6 months to find their ideal property. Which strategy is best for you comes back to a couple of things. Firstly, your financial position, and secondly, what sort of property you're looking for. If you're looking for a 2-bed, 1-bath apartment in Cairns, there are a lot on the market, and there's a very good chance that you'll find the property you're wanting in 30 to 60 days. If you're looking for that dream property that has a lot of tick boxes and a lot of things that you really want to have in it, there's a chance that that property may not come on the market even in the next 6 months. So once again, it does depend on your situation, but I hope this provides a bit of an insight, and if you are in that situation, it allows you a little bit of clarity moving forward. If you do have any questions, I would love to speak to you. Send me a message or give me a call. Also, if you've got a question you do want answered, once again, send me a message. I'd love to cover your questions in one of these videos. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and have a fantastic week.